Okay, it's time. Get your notebooks ready. It's time to learn some knowledge. Trendline trading tips and tricks with Tori Trades. Okay, here's the thing. When I was trading back in 2022, which I've been trading for 10 years now, I have some trades that go back as far as 2022 that I can showcase you guys in my trading journal. And I want to show you guys that I was making around $200 to $300 back then. And I am now making $40,000 to $50,000 trades. But the craziest thing, which I'm about to show you guys, is that you can go back and see the trade that I placed back in 2022 and a trade that I placed just a month ago. It's the same exact setup. It's the same exact strategy. It's just the fact that I've grown my capital. I've slowly started increasing my position size. I'm taking on bigger positions, more risk, to where that same setup made me $200 back in 2022 and is now making me $40,000 to $50,000 nowadays. It is the craziest thing ever. I gotta emphasize the fact that it's just the journey. It's just the repetition. It's doing it over and over again. It's getting consistent with it. The results that you can get from simply mastering one thing 10,000 times is just, it's almost like success. It's almost like success is I can't say it. Success is inevitable. It's inevitable. Now, this is something I want to show you guys. And I bet you ain't got one trading guru in the space that is going to be able to pull up the same account with over 4 years of data, the same account number, same brokerage, but a statement from 2022 or 4 years or 5 years. Now I'm going to show you the oldest one that I've submitted into my TradeZella. This is a trade back from 2022, and I'm going to show you this month of data. I'm going to show you this exact trade. So bear with me here. So I downloaded the statement and blocked out my address and highlighted the exact trade so we can see it here. Boom. Same account number, crazy. This is from 2022, and this is the trade right here. We've got a 319. Now I believe this is 315. So there's maybe a little bit of discrepancy when it comes to maybe commissions. This is MNQ. This is a short position, but $315. And then you can see the actual broker statement for here again, $319.50. So close enough, give or take a little bit of commissions here. Now, this was 4 years ago. Same system, same setup. I'm using trend lines. Go figure, crazy, 4 years ago. Now I want to show you guys a trade that I placed very recently. Same setup. I'll show you the broker statement for it as well so that you guys know the credentials are there. These are real trades. They've been verified. I'm working on a third-party verification to really give you guys everything you need outside of just a screenshot of a broker statement. I get it. Maybe that's not enough. But the point here is how mind-blowing it is. I have literally done exactly what Bruce Lee told me to do. He told me to master the same kick 10,000 times. That's when people get scared. Instead, all y'all are trying to master 10,000 kicks. Give it a break. It's impossible. Why don't you just narrow down one thing and then master it 10,000 times? Speaking of which, I'm getting ready to start my event today, the Trader in 3 Days Challenge, and this is where I'm going to show you guys the exact kick. You want to learn the kick? It's right here. Today is the first day of the event. I've got 3 days where I'm going to be showing you guys this exact system, how to master this kick 10,000 times. The event is happening today, 14th, 15th, and 16th. 3-day event at noon Eastern every single day. So depending on where you are in the world, the event could be happening right now. So make sure to click the link in the description. It's the first link below, toritrades.com with a Z. So hop on over and join the challenge now. Otherwise, if you're seeing this before it started, this is something great to start to get you an idea for how crazy it is to have implemented the same system 4 years ago that made me $300 versus the same system now that we're going to go over. I believe we're going to go over a $40,000 trade or a $50,000 trade. I'll see which one it is. Another plug here, and I will only promote this because I truly love it so freaking much, is TradeZella. This is a journaling software. Now, are there other journaling platforms? Yes, there are. If TradeZella is out of your budget, or if you don't feel like it's worth the value, sure, you can use a Excel spreadsheet. Is it going to be as effective? Absolutely not. There are other journaling softwares out there, but I believe truly with my chest, wholeheartedly, they are not anywhere near up to par as TradeZella is. These are two things that I'll promote shamelessly because I truly believe it's part of the success. It's something I use every single day. I use TradeStation as my brokerage, and TradeZella is my trade journaling software. It's the fact that I can go back to a trade from 2022 and break it down completely and fully for you guys. If that isn't the seller right there, then I don't know what is. If you're interested in TradeZella, use code Tori10 for 10% off of the monthly subscription, or Tori20 for 20% off the yearly. All right, that is the last amount of promotion I will do. Let's get into it. Let's find my trade recently. We're gonna go over, I believe, 50. Excellent. All right, here we go. Crazy how similar these look. The difference here is that this is a much larger profit than this one over here. $300, 50,000. Okay, now let me show you the verified broker statement for this specific one as well. This was January this year. All right, now we're gonna go to 2025, January. All right, my friends, here is the trade from January earlier this year, broker statement for it, verified, TradeStation, same account number, crazy. 4 years later, she has a track record. Does anyone else? I really don't know. Can anyone show the same track record, the same account from 4 years ago? Maybe my head is way too big right now. I've just come to find that many traders don't do this in the industry, and it's so cool. It's such a flex. I love when I can flex like this. So we've got this trade right here, $50,000 in platinum from this year. So these are the two differences. 4 years apart, what do they have in common? It's the same strategy. It's the same kick. I just did it 10,000 times. So let this shed a light. And I'm going to minimize the 50,000 so we can, I know it's a big shiny thing. We love to see it, but this is where it's most relatable. So even if you're more closely related to this trade, or maybe you've got 100K in your account, or 200 or 300 or 400K like I do in my account, and the $50,000 trade looks more relatable. The craziest thing is that you both will be trading exactly the same. The strategy is the same. So regardless if you're a newbie with low capital or you are an experienced trader and have a lot to work with, which to be honest, there's also, you could be a newbie and have a lot of money to work with, and that's actually scarier than the smaller capital. You just want to make sure you're doing it right. All right, so let's break down the big trade first. Okay, $49,000 big trade coming right up. So what I do is I draw trend lines on my charts. The experienced traders, you guys are like, yeah, we get it, I know. For the newbies, I am just marking up my chart. I'm looking at price movement, price action. These are all the candles here. And I am marking up touch points of highs and lower highs, trying to track a trend, just trying to draw a literal line on a chart. When price breaks one of these trends, breaks a line, I'm thinking that we're going to get a reversal, that we are no longer trending in the direction that I thought, and we're going to start turning around. I took a long position because the price broke a downward trend line. How long do I stay in my position for? As long as price is trending along the new line, I'll get so much more in depth in the event that I'm doing today. So if you want to hop over to it or just save it, make sure you got the notifications turned on for it. We'll go so much more in depth in this. But my point of today's video is to show you this is a trade that I'd placed this year. $50,000 trade, drawing lines, getting in when price breaks, and getting out when it also either gets to or breaks another line. It is a system and a type of trend line setup that I have mastered 10,000 times, according to Bruce Lee, to get me to this point. So entry based on the break of a downward trend line, exit, I had two options here, exit based on an area of support and resistance, or exit could have been based on the break of another trend line. We'll get into more of that in the Trader in 3-Day Challenge, but this is the 50K trade breakdown. It's the most broad breakdown you're gonna get. Very elementary, very basic. Now let me show you guys the trade that I placed 4 years ago. This is a short position. The lines look exactly the same. I drew some lines on a chart. Price broke an upward line, so this is the opposite. I thought long positions in the last one. I'm thinking short positions here. Price broke an upward trend line. I thought short positions. Price is rolling over, and as soon as it broke the trend line, I closed my trade. I capitalized on my $300. The system and the strategy is exactly the same, 4 years apart. Now the only difference is that back then in 2022, this $300 profit was awesome. I was stoked to get it. These are the types of trades I was looking for. Now, did I have a little bit of FOMO because it dropped even more? That could have been a $600 trade. Yeah, sure. I'm sure I was kicking myself a little bit. These $300 trades are what I was looking for back then. These were great trades. Nowadays, I'm pretty stoked on a 50K trade. I'm ecstatic on a 50K trade. But it's all perspective. It happens over time. It's If you can grow your account, if you can get those 10,000 reps in, if you can be consistent, you can be disciplined, and you can learn to kind of capitalize on this snowball effect, it's the way to go. A question that I get so often is, why don't you implement this? Why don't you add this to your strategy? Why don't you learn a different strategy? This strategy makes this guy so much more money. You could be making millions if you use this guy's strategy, and there's so much noise out there. Sure, I could learn many more strategies, but the reason why I stuck with this one between those 4 years apart that you guys saw in those trades is because this was simple. This was information I could retain, I could do it confidently, and I could do it over and over again. I love that I got a pen today because I'd be just really getting the point across. I want a system that I can confidently execute on, and I can do it over and over again. And this is where Trendlines just did it for me. That's it. It does it for me. It doesn't sound like the most complex strategy, and it doesn't make you sound like the smartest person in the world. It doesn't stroke your ego to tell people that you trade an easy system or an easy strategy. But I'll tell you what is a flex is that it's going to take you half the amount of time as it does the other guy to learn this system so that you can already start going ahead and start implementing this. Whereas the other guy that's learning a 10 times more complicated system and strategy, it's going to take him so much longer, twice as long, if not 4 times as long, to understand the system before he's even confident enough to do it over and over again. Whereas this system is digestible. It's tangible. I'm just telling you all of the reasons why I love it. One, it was simple enough to repeat. I could do it confidently. But also some other kind of bonus things that you get with this strategy is that you can do it on any time frame, and you can do it on any instrument, and you can do it on any market. Okay, if I was to just show you guys this view right here, we're just looking at candles, and that's it. I could tell you that this is a 5-minute time frame on gold, and you wouldn't know the difference. It's still the same system. I still draw lines, and I get in when it's broken, and I get out when it's broken. Or I could tell you this is a 4-hour time frame, and this is platinum, and these lines were marked up by a swing trader who trades the 4-hour time frame and holds for, days and weeks. You wouldn't know the difference because we're purely just trading based on price action. We're just trading based on what the movement of the price does. We're following trends, we're getting in on trends, we're trying to capitalize on trend reversals. Some of these terms might not be, for the newbies, you don't know what they mean yet. But that'll come just like you learn anything. But this is the coolest part about this system is it's purely price action, so it could be any instrument, any time frame, any market. So I just thought this is so cool. And to be honest, I think it's a little bit of a flex too, to be able to go back and show the same account number, same brokerage 4 years ago, same system, same setup, and a massive difference. A $300 trade versus a $50,000 trade. That is an exact representation of the master in 10,000 kicks. If you want to learn how to use this system or how to implement it or how to start practicing the kick 10,000 times, join the Trader in 3-Day Challenge below. I know I've mentioned it 500 times, but it's happening right now, so it's just a little bit urgent. I need you to watch this video and then scoot right on over so that you can get the information. Get your notebook out, start taking notes, because we're learning. We're learning knowledge here. If you don't think that you fit the trader category, to be honest, there's probably not going to be too many newbies on this video specifically because it is a little bit more of a trade breakdown. Those usually, anytime you pull up charts, it just scares people away immediately. And I know this from experience because I've had my dentist, I've had my hairstylist, I've had my friends, my family friends, my brother-in-law, my future brother-in-law, where they ask me what I do or they say that they think it's so cool, but they have no earthly idea what I'm doing or what I'm talking about most of the time. And this is where I finally want to utilize my time, and I want to take advantage of this event to where I can show you guys it's not that crazy, that it doesn't require a finance degree, it doesn't require you to work on Wall Street or intern at some bank or be an asset manager of sorts. It doesn't require any of that. It's purely just being able to read a chart, mark it up, and identify entries and exits over and over again. That's it. So I'm going to try to give as much information as I can to you guys, step by step, in the event here. But even if you're not a newbie and you've already learned a strategy, like maybe you're an ICT guy, maybe you are completely overwhelmed by the amount of information that it's going to take for you to even start placing your first trade. Maybe you're not even confident. Maybe it's some sort of combination of indicators and confluences that you just can't repeat because there's too many and you're not confident. This is such a great way to simplify it. Like, strip some things out. Like, let's weigh out the difference here. Do you want to sound smarter because you trade some crazy complicated strategy? Or do you want to just be able to repeat something over and over again? 10,000 kicks until you master it. Go from $300 trades to $50,000 trades. Sounds much more appealing. But I get super excited. I love being able to go back and reflect on old trades. It is so nostalgic. It really just brings the gratitude back. I'm so grateful. So grateful, so thankful. I want to thank me for being me. And I'm just kidding. My uncle taught me how to trade. So I want to thank my uncle for giving me this skill that is just nothing like it. This is a skill like no other. It's so cool. So just going back and being able to reflect and be like, wow, 4 years ago I was placing $300 trades, maybe $1,000 trades, would have been ecstatic for one of those, a few $100 trades. But then to now be in a position to where I'm placing $50,000 trades is just, it's wild. It's wild. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. More to come, many more to come. I know I've taken a little bit of a break. If you've made it this far in the video, hats off to you. You're a fan. Love it. Sorry, I'm getting awkward now. So anyways, if you like this video, I'll be sure to make more soon. No, I was going to say, I haven't done a few trade breakdowns in a while. More trade breakdowns to come soon once I get a little bit more off my plate right now. But that's all I got for you. This is also the new place. I'm just loving it, living it up, loving it, you know. My background looks like a, you know, AI. But, all right, I got to quit the video. I got to stop it now. 31 minutes in. Okay. All right, friends. Thanks for hanging out.